What's good, YouTube? Today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can make Game Pass in Roblox. This is super easy. So what you gotta do is go on roblox.com. Once you're there, you have to click on create. Once you're in create, you have to go over here. It should take you to this page, and if it doesn't take you to this page, just search up createroblox.com. And once you do that, you have to go to creation, right? And if you're trying to make a Game Pass for like please donate, this is the right one. So what you gotta do is click on right here. Once you're over here, you have to scroll down, right, till you see monetization, and you have to click on passes. Once you click on passes, you could literally make a Game Pass right here. So click on create a pass. You could upload any image you want, right? You could upload anything you want. So let's say I do Game Pass. Once I do that, then you have to put a description. So just put Game Pass. And if you want to add an image, you could put it over here. You could add an image. If not, then just keep it like that. Then create pass. Then once you create this pass, right? Now, if you're gonna put this for sale, what you got to do is click on it again. Then once you click on it, you have to click on sales. You could put any amount you want. So you have to click on item for sale. You could do, let's say, 10 Robux, right? Make sure you know you're gonna get 70% of this. So you're gonna get 7 if you put 10. Once you do that, you have to go back. And once you go back, you open a new tab. Once you do that, yep, there you go. You have your item right here and people can buy it. This is the Game Pass right here. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and let me know if this helped.